All right, welcome back to Blue Collar Homestead. Today we are going to go over the Harbor Freight trailer, the foldable trailer that doesn't really fold the way I put it together, but this is going to be a review on that after 7 years of using this thing. So you can see it's clearly like the wood on it and everything's in pretty bad shape. So this is about to all get stripped down. And we're going to get an inside look at what the frame and everything looks like after being outside for 7 years and being used and hauling a bunch of stuff with it, and kind of see what's left of it. I mean, I was around $500 for this trailer. Tires are 7 years old. They're starting to get dry rotted. They probably got to be replaced. The lights don't work anymore. The frame itself is what I'm curious about. I mean, right now you can see this thing is like a lasagna noodle. I bet you all the bolts and stuff are loose, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a pry bar. We're going to pull the deck of this trailer off, and we're going to get a real good look at the frame. I think it's all right. I think I'll probably have to tighten up the bolts, take the angle grinder with the wire wheel, clean up all the rust, and throw a new coat of paint on it, and then decide what I'm going to do with it. So let me grab a couple tools, get the deck of this thing off, and we're going to have a real good look at it. All right. Well, we got the plywood all off. Surprisingly, the frame doesn't look that bad. I mean, yeah, the powder coating is pretty much rusting off. Hit this with the wire wheel and put a new coat of paint on it, and it'll probably be fine. But I think we're going to do some modifications to this thing, so that'll be on another episode. But all in all, for 7 years, this trailer's held up pretty decent. Don't get me wrong, it's got its few quirks, like, you know, I put this wheel on here, and I had the trailer loaded, and this wheel, you know, was down, and obviously, and it started to bend a little bit, bend this piece. I'll probably have to bend that back or whatnot, but I'm going to have to throw some new tires on it, and some new lights. Funny thing is, I think it was this fender. I bought one of those Chinese tire bombs from Walmart for a spare, and I put that on here, and it actually exploded and bent this like you wouldn't believe. When it blew, it almost took the whole damn fender off with it. But all in all, for 7 years of use, not bad. Now, this is the one that is rated to hold like 1,720 pounds. And believe me, I probably had it overloaded a couple times with tile and whatnot. But it's been a good little trailer. Now, you can see some of the rust in there. Let me get out. I'm standing in the sunlight, but you can see some of that's rusted, but it's honestly just surface rust. I mean, it's just the powder coating coming off. I don't even know how that screw got in there, but yeah, I had this self-tapper on here. You can see this is just the powder coating coming off. What we might end up doing is I might end up welding all these joints together, and I might end up making this trailer a little bit wider. We'll see how it goes, though. But all in all, for like I said, for 7 years worth of use, it's not bad. I mean, the front of the trailer is probably rusted the worst, like the front corners. Like I said, none of the lights work or anything, so this will be another project all on its own. So leave anything in the comments. What do you think we should do with this? Should I just make it a flatbed trailer for hauling four-wheelers and stuff? Should I make a trailer for, you know, hauling my little livestock around? Should we build a camper out of it? Yeah, leave in the comments below what you think we should do with this thing. So like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you on the next one.